Let me show you how to hide apps on your Google Pixel 10a. So first, if you simply want to get rid of any of the app here, so if you do not need it, you can simply click and hold on it. For example, over here, and you will see you have this option to disable or also uninstall. For some apps, we can only disable them, but if you disable it, it also disappears from here. So what if you actually want to hide app from someone, basically, so and still have the app obviously on your phone? Then what you can do is you can simply go in your settings, security and privacy settings, and set up this private space. Okay. Enter your PIN code for the device, you have one. And also, yeah, let's set this up. Okay. Essentially, this is like a special place where you can install additional apps and hide and lock them. Sign in with your Google. Okay. You can choose new lock or use a screen lock if you want. Okay, and done. And then you see in your all apps list, if you scroll here, you have this private space. So let's unlock it. And you see, for example, you can privately browse internet here, take pictures secretly, so again they'll get locked with, and they won't get saved to the main gallery. Or also you can install any like additional applications. For example, if you want to install like a second copy of WhatsApp that you want to lock, so you'll have to enter like a PIN or pattern or whatever step. So simply click install, it will get downloaded, installed here. So, and you see, for example, yeah, you have the new app, you have to set it up from fresh. And yeah, if you want to access, again, you have to basically enter the PIN code. So yeah, once you're basically done working basically with the apps in the private space, you can lock it. So you see, it will get locked. And to unlock it, again, you have to enter the PIN code. Also, if you click over here, you can also hide this private space as well. Okay. And also let's lock it. So you see it completely disappears from here. So no one can even know that you have such thing to access it. So in the search, simply enter the private space. And you see you will have to log in. And you have it back on. And the third way is you can maybe perhaps install some kind of third-party launcher. Maybe something like, for example, like Niagara launcher. So this one is able to also hide apps by default. So again, if you just simply want to clean up this space, so but not uninstall the app or not log them with password, on the default Pixel launcher, it's not really possible to do. So we have to install some kind of third-party launcher, Niagara, or maybe like a Pixel launcher. So this is like pretty much the same as Pixel. It will look like. So maybe try this one. On this one, we can also like get rid of the apps. And yeah, without actually uninstalling them, if you do not want that. Okay, good luck.